Is your business ready for robotic process automation or RPA? If you look around, there is a glut of information on intelligent automation and RPA. But businesses still find it challenging to understand how automation can benefit them. Can artificial intelligence (AI)-powered tools be made part of their business and operational environments and contribute to business growth? The answer is yes. Intelligent automation and robotic process automation, which includes machine learning, machine vision, natural language processing, are easily accessible, easy to deploy, are faster and more efficiently than many companies choose to believe. At the same time, intelligent automation and RPA are rapidly becoming a part of mainstream business operations, empowering teams and departments, assisting in executing tasks faster and more efficiently. Quite simply, RPA solutions use robotic software to automate a task. They mimic the actions of a human being and are relatively less intrusive. By taking over repetitive, structured and rules-dependent tasks, RPA automates processes at a large scale. What makes RPA technology even more attractive is the benefits it offers. It is reliable, accurate, increases productivity, and is easily scalable. Freed of mundane, repetitive and time-consuming work, employees usually reclaim between 25 to 30% of their daily office time, giving them opportunities for more value-added work. According to Gartner, by the end of 2022, 85% of large and huge enterprises will deploy some form of RPA in their work process. Getting started on robotic process automation solutions is easy. While many businesses are interested in leveraging RPA's potential to get ahead of the digital transformation curve, they remain unsure of how to identify processes where these solutions can be deployed. 1. Volume of repetitive tasks. A major application of RPA is automation of high-volume, repetitive tasks. RPA finishes tasks quickly while ensuring high levels of accuracy. When humans spend long hours repeating the same task, mental fatigue creeps in. Robotic automation is capable of handling voluminous repetitive tasks without complaining of fatigue, distraction or boredom. With AI added to the equation, it becomes possible to automate both structured and unstructured data. For instance, a European real estate company uses AI, machine learning and computer vision to compare large volumes of data on property records and geographical images. The resultant machine-derived conclusions help employees identify discrepancies and discover insights, increasing their efficiency by 80%. 2. Addressing human errors in processes. Usually, automated tasks involve processing a lot of data, which people often find challenging, and thus are prone to many human errors. RPA helps in bringing down the possibility of error in business processes, activities, and transactions. This includes incorrect data entry, skipped or incomplete steps in process-driven tasks, errors in application of rules. It ensures that decisions dependent on data accuracy and interpretation are not compromised. 3. Fraud detection or internal audits. As outlined above, RPA can be used in a wide variety of business scenarios, but where it adds incremental value is in fraud detection and internal audits. Organizations are actively implementing RPA solutions in the internal security management system, with robotic software assisting humans in time-consuming background checks and fraud investigations. Financial fraud monitoring, tracking and investigations can also be made at a fast pace during day-to-day financial transactions. Machine learning is combined with RPA to observe behavioral patterns, analyze and detect hidden correlations in data, and identifying and flagging possible fraud scenarios in real time. 4. Improving customer experience through intelligent automation. Deploying RPA can make customer service agents more effective and customer service efficacious. With consumers increasingly contacting organizations over various platforms, more than ever before, it's becoming important for businesses to make every contact point an opportunity for a great brand experience. RPA allows customer service staff to hand over their repetitive and time-tasking processes and tasks, thereby helping them elevate their own skills and nurturing customer relationships. With routine tasks taken care of, empathy and rapport with the customer becomes the focus of customer service agents. 5. Automation of big data. According to McKinsey, the amount of data in our world has been exploding, and analyzing large data sets, so-called big data, will become a key basis of competition, underpinning new waves of productivity growth, innovation, and consumer surplus. If big data is a gold mine, RPA is the invaluable tool to extract meaning from big data. Businesses can bring together RPA and big data to identify anomalies within business processes and streamline these hiccups from within their operations. For instance, online retailers collect data from multiple sources about their customers' buying habits. These could include preferred price range, product and brand choices, buying decisions for special offers. By deploying RPA and analyzing the vast data sets, the information can be used to revise the company's offering, customizing them and making them focused on individual customer needs. So is your business an ideal candidate for robotic process automation? It is if you work with large amounts of structured data, have rules-based business processes and has high-volume repetitive task workflow. If your answer is yes, get ready to make the RPA transition. 4 benefits of robotic process automation for businesses. 1. Cost-effective. It has been estimated that using robotics cuts operational costs by as much as 25 to 50%. Robots can operate 24/7 and take no vacation when compared to humans, who work 8/5 and have a prefixed number of annual leaves each year. Having robots take over some of the manually intensive work from humans could result in visible gains for the business. 2. Improved analytics. Having access to error-free, accurate data from various sources would improve the quality of analytics in the process. This leads to better decision-making and overall, to the betterment of the process execution. 3. Increased security. Among the benefits of robotic process automation, the most convincing one is that it functions on a granular level. As the bot performs only the single tasks, there is no worry of information leakage from one part to another. Here, the data accesses are well controlled and documented. The most ignored factor in RPA implementation is the myth that robots may replace the need for human employees. 4. Enhance customer service. Most of the companies today can have a hard time to meet the highly varied customer demands. However, in an RPA-adopted company, where the routine, repetitive and dull tasks are handed over to the robots, so the employees can better concentrate on customer care. With the skilled and proficient workers, the companies can address the customer needs. Moreover, they can understand the requirements of the customer with automatically generated reports like those results from analytics. Like and subscribe if you like the information.